Hey everyone, it's Carter from Wheel of Fire Alarms here, and today we have another system test with some huge changes. Let's get started. Alright, hey everyone, so what is this in front of you? This is very different looking. Well, what happened is the MS5012 is having some issues with the power, and it is no longer safe to use in my home. So until I take that into a technician, get it repaired, possibly replaced, I have this panel set in place. So what is all of this? So this is my Sun Wind and Wire security panel that I got about a year ago, and it basically does the same thing as the MS5012. It just doesn't have 5 zones. It just has 1, and it obviously doesn't have like the screen and stuff. But what it does is it has a knack, and it has a little relay thing that will keep the alarms going until the thing is reset. So that's kind of cool. So it works just fine, and it runs off of 12 volts as well. And then down here we have this extra extender box. I will go into that in another video. It allows me to do some voice evacuation stuff and things. And then over here we have this annunciator to control the whole thing. This is to reset the system, this is to silence the system, and this is our favorite button, the fire drill button. And then obviously these lights, main power, silence, and I think you guys know what that one is. I know some of you may be a little disappointed, and I apologize. However, it's nothing I have control over, and I have made the best of it as of now. There's actually some really cool things about this system that I will go into later in other videos that I think you guys will really enjoy. Also, I plan to clean it up by getting some nicer conduit instead of the leftover sprinkler pipe that was under my lawn for X amount of years. This will be cleaned up. That is just a temporary fix at the moment. So this will look nicer, and it will be better, and it will be pretty awesome. So remember, there used to be a pull station here. However, I had to move it to install this box, so it is now over by the door. You may have seen that in the custom voice evac video thing that I did a while ago. I guess it was for Firelight ECC. But that is here now, and I think it looks pretty awesome because it's by the door. And that's pretty cool. Firelight BG12 today. And then in the bathroom we have a Wheelock ZRS. Haven't really used this thing on the system before, so that's kind of new. That's the one I got in Baltimore at Alarmax. Over here we have a Wheelock Z and S, so those two alarms match. And then over here we have a Wheelock Exceeder. Basically the same thing as the Z and S, just a little more updated. I apologize, the washing machine is running, it's really loud. And then over here we have another one of these PDI Firelight BG12s. We're going to start today by activating the Firelight BG12 over by the door. Here we go. Then we can go ahead and silence. No audible silence because these are all 2-wire devices. If I put my Wheelock sync module up, I could have 2-wire audible silence, but I decided not to do that this time. And what we do to reset is we just turn this switch up, the alarm light turns off, and then we turn off the silence. Next we're going to go ahead and run a fire drill. Here we go. Okay, and now we're going to activate the pull station over here, and we're going to do a key activation just for fun. So we like to be different here sometimes. Here we go. There we go, the alarm is silenced. I reset that, right? Let's go find out. I believe I did. Yes, I did. That's good. And we'll go ahead and reset. Well, there you guys go. I hope you guys enjoyed and look forward to some really neat stuff coming with this setup that will happen in a later video. And with that being said, like the video, leave comments, and of course, subscribe to the channel.